Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today we're going to present you the video of how to defend when someone punches you.
The best way to defend yourself is training self-defense daily, starting today.
Let's go. Let's talk about step by step how defense when someone punches you. Okay, so Emily, so punch me. Yeah, when someone punches you, so your first thing you gotta lean outside of the punch, no matter right or left, and you gotta be quick, lock. So your right arm to go to the neck and left hand lock. And after this, so you can use your knee to go like this, right? And after that, you gotta quick turn your shoulder and rise. And you can go punch, kick, whatever, right? And also, they have many ways for how to defend when someone punches you. So do the same thing. You go punch right, you go right. Same thing go left. And after you got quick step in, right? And then you can kick the leg. You can trip, and you can punch. Hope you enjoy our video. We will be update our self-defense video every week.
If you like more videos like these, support by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.
I see you in the next video.